Welcome back to the AStarStartup. My name is Kale, and we are doing some local LLM vibe coding using Ubuntu Server and Herdr, which is like Tmux. It's a terminal multiplexer. Allows you to run multiple agents at one time. But the biggest quality of life improvement is more so that when I SSH into the Ubuntu server and I load up Herdr or Tmux, if my computer crashes or I want to do something else, I got to reboot or whatever, I can just reset or just exit the thing without even properly closing out of the app, and I can come back into the session and it works later. So I'm sold on that because I'm just tired of having the agents running on my laptop for however long they want. So the SSH works pretty good. If you are on Windows, I'd recommend using PowerShell and SSH, not MOBA Xterm. MOBA Xterm is cool, but it does not work very good with her. It's quite unfortunate because, oh, it looks like my stream has just resumed itself. Cool. All right. I don't know how if it'll show up as having that break, elongating the video length. Probably not. But I'm ready for it. Let's get going. Oh yeah, what about this vibe coded dumpster fire over here? Slow or overloaded, huh? No output, huh? Let's see if it did that. Oh right. Didn't I need, here's the component. So chat editor. It's the oops. I don't like that. I wish I could just like press some sort of keyboard hotkey and it pops up a list of the files in the current folder. What do we got here? Okay. Training. And then this is. Oh, okay. So canvas section. All right. Woo! That's one big ass file. Let's talk about this organization. Um, um, Okay. Okay. Is there benefits to that? Oh no. Well, I'm gonna have to go restart the server. I don't have the SSH thing going. Oh wait, hold on. Can I just let's see if I can just do a should be able to actually get the what? The address. So what do I need to do? I need the I thought I was 228, but apparently I'm not correct on that. Okay. Now, is it 218? Okay, here it is. Oh shit. Hold on. Let's go look at what is going on. What's going on? New unsloth version. What do I need to do that? Like, it looks like I probably can. Remind me later. These notes. I don't want that. Yeah, unsloth looks pretty cool. I'm gonna have to admit. Okay. Okay, so do I need to go run this on my... Okay. Well, apparently I gotta go run this command. Right. I think LM Studio's trying to be more like Unsloth Studio. Makes sense. Okay, so what's gonna happen then? I'm gonna do... That's not the right one. So. I really feel drained from this shit. There's just so long that setup that led to all of this work. I'm just like, yeah, a lot of these vibe coder guys are like starting off fresh. And I do kind of wish that I was starting off fresh right now, because all the paths that you would take to success have rapidly changed. So having to start over again, you know, I mean, I'm used to getting zeroed out. What do we got here? We got the, oh, this is the business model canvas. Let's go look at the business model canvas. Editor. Okay. So what is the problem? This thing? Okay. So, how does this use effect work? Oh, so that was the repo ranker. I'm sorry, I'm confused. Uh-oh. That was the wrong one, huh? If I change, I didn't see any sort of prompt. All right. And you remember, this one's the business model canvas over here. This one's the persona generator and the what? Beachhead generator? I guess beachhead is lower in alphabetical order, so maybe it was supposed to go over there. Oh yeah, right. Where's the beachhead generator? Oh, the repo ranker's gone? Did it delete the repo ranker? What happened? God damn it. Page TSX disable. What the hell is that? Okay. I don't know what did that. What happened here? Okay, let me go restart the Unsloth Studio server. All right. What is going on? All right, so now the RTX 5070 is back on. All right, so next, okay, so all right. No. Okay, now Unsloth Studio is not starting. God damn it. Oh no. Well, I guess I gotta go one more time. Maybe I just need to like reconnect. It looks like it was loaded, but then I'm not able to access unsloth from my computer, which I was able to do just a little while ago. But it must be that I'm gonna restart it. I think it must not have the right host. I think I need dash dash host 0.0.0.0. All right. I think I figured out what's going wrong. All right, there we go. Now I can access the thing. All right. There. Oh no. Growth loop. What is this? No model loading. Huh? There we go. Greater than the threshold. Oh. Damn it, son of a bitch. That's not right. Okay, so I extended the context window, but the model apparently is still okay. So what do I have to do? I need like the to do edit the config file? Is that what I need? So what do I do? I need a vim dot Hermes / config dot YAML, and then oh, don't I need to do like models unslot, and then that, right? But then I'm gonna have to exit Hermes. Oh no. Do I want to add the context link? Explicitly set the context link. What was this one? All right. Well, I don't know if I can do anything to change the context window size. I was getting 85 tokens a second, so move the duplicate span in the queue. It doesn't show the context length. So I just have to hot reloading. Okay, so Hermes agents has hot reloading, so I'm just gonna basically, you just gotta reconnect to the model. This thing spits stuff out fast. Woo! The dumpster fire has been fully resolved. Dude, the dumpster fire is never fully resolved when it says that, dude. I'm expecting there to be a dumpster fire. Nope. Big fat no on the dumpster fire extinguished. Oh shit. Oops. Huh. Yeah, I wonder if they're oh, it says offline, huh? So what, I'm not even streaming? Okay, it's just glitching out. Task is complete. I highly doubt it's complete. Uh-oh. Why is this like this? I'm looking for components. Huh? Maybe be careful what you wish for. Okay, so BMC canvas view editor. Okay. I mean, these files will get big. So right now, that's just all that there is in there. But so how does this thing load the business model canvas from? So I still have all my things in that model. Whoa. Okay. Excuse me. Ooh. All right. All right. So this isn't where this is supposed to be. This isn't where it was supposed to be. I think I put it here because it said model, and this is business model canvas. So this is like the shit. I wanted to avoid this kind of code. Why is this in business model canvas? Damn it. I wasn't supposed to go out of the repo ranker. I need this stupid apostrophe thing. Nonsense. It's absolute nonsense. What's in here now? Oh, did it do what I asked for? No, this is the repo ranker. I'm thinking about the business model canvas. Right, so that agent up here is Oh, hey, it came back. Well, that's nice. I don't need to. Now it says 404 repo ranker can't be found. God damn it. It disabled it again. What do I do? You know, it must be that that page was not. Seems like I'm kind of stuck until this prompt's done. Can we do anything with this? What about the beachhead? Uh, repo ranker. What do we got? Beachhead finder page. Okay. This is total slop, but I mean, I'll take the boilerplate. It's not, I mean, it's clearly not very good, but um, all right. We beachhead finder. What is this one? We're looking for what? / what is it? Beachhead finder. All right, what do we got for this vibe coded slap? Okay. And then what is this using? Nope. Not using the requested API. Yeah, this thing is crunching on the what do you call it? I gotta let it finish because it's like fighting. shoot. All right. What am I doing? Wonder if I can get my keyboard camera to show up. Gotcha, that's where the keyboard camera went to. Sorry, my lens is all messed up. Yeah, there it goes. All right. Yeah, this is my Oregon Ducks theme keycaps. I like them. All right, so now what do I do? Huh? Oh, let's see. I'm just gonna real quick see if I can find the keyboard shortcut. Still cranking on that one thread. There it is. Okay. Um. Damn it. Oh, this stupid piece of shit overrid my Alt Shift O. I don't know why any of these graphics cards manufacturers think that I would want your streaming software. I mean, I know you got a graphics card and you're like trying to show off some features, but it is so goddamn annoying. Alt Shift O. I bet you I can just search for keyboard in the shortcut hot keys. You can see the keyboard up there, blah blah blah, but it's not really like keyboard Alt Shift equal. Oh, the positive and the negative. Alt shift. Gotcha. 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 Yeah. Whoop whoop. All right. Now I'm feeling better. You just got to set up your OBS so that you can search for the hotkeys. Easy. Makes a world of difference. We're still waiting on this, huh? Yeah, this thing is cooking. This was a complicated task for sure. All right. I don't know if I want to like run anything else though. That's the problem. It's like this these so if Gemma 412B tanks the process because it takes down the dev server and then all of a sudden this agent is like, whoa, everything's corrupted. That's not going to be as bad. So I need a situation where in a situation like this, then I'm going to be able to work on something else. Maybe I'll do some open code. How about that? Don't I need to add the other one? Okay, so I need to hit the model endpoints to look at the one. So I need to go to um damn, that's not it. All right. So I need to go to 192. Uh, 8888/v1/mods. But why is this? Oops. What do I need to do? Like copy and paste the. Yeah, I need to take the password off of the thing. Oh, Unsloth won't let you do that. Do I care about this output? thought this was... What the hell? What did I do? All right. I like this. Okay. 110 context? That doesn't make any sense. Why is that like this, though? Because I was trying to get maximum token throughput. I don't know if I want to do that. I'm finding some limitations to the... What do you call it? The spit it out. I'm finding some limitations to the context window. I do believe if I start using the context window on the CPU RAM by offloading layers, that it's going to take a shit. What is wrong with this? Oh, you know what? RTX. Just get rid of this. And is this... Shouldn't I just say like unsloth? RTX P70. I'm just gonna say Unsloth Studio. Right, because it has a password for Unsloth Studio. So, yeah, let's just say Unsloth Studio. So when it said 110K context, that didn't mean that it had 110 context. All right. Well, that was a good workflow. Not authenticated. I want my money back. I want my money back. This thing like switched. the live stream. Okay. All right. So my OBS is all kinds of glitched out right now. Seems to be working now, though. What am I doing, though? I feel like I'm supposed to put this into the... Oh, right. How about that? That thing, though. God damn it. So how do I do that? I guess I would just put VLLM here. Right. Even though it says LLM Scalar, I'm going to put VLLM Scalar because... Is that the right word? So a scalar is like a magnitude vector, and then scalar is a tool or an algorithm. Okay. So it's scalar with an E. And then here is... I don't know what to do with this. I've already inputted in my API key. How do you do that? I could just hard code the M. I don't think anybody's gonna be hacking my local LLM server. But I think I can do. Sorry, I'm trying to get the open code to work with the Unsloth Studio, and they got a stupid API key. And those API keys, oh man, they're such a hassle. I have had nothing but pain in the ass from those. So, still working on this. Like I had two agents, or agents were like trying to modify the same files, and then one of the agents, the Gemma 412B, created a hot dumpster fire because it can't code much better than a toaster, and now they're gone. So but it does look like I'm using only the VRAM in the GPU. Can I get anything done with this Gemma? It's like I'm completely reliant on this thing finishing before I can do anything. Right. I'm just gonna go back to messing with open code. What do I have to do? What, enter in the... Did I? Right. Doesn't that thing just say it has content? Okay, I'm okay with that for right now. That's actually better than what I had before. Oh, I'm sorry. 12,640. Wait. Come on. 112,640. I think both of those should be good. So now I need to take this off and I need to enter in my API key. Okay. .hermes/.inf. Here's the unsloth key. I probably shouldn't bother hiding it because it's shit. Okay. Let's hope that that fixes it. There we go. Oh, wait. Unsloth, maybe. Oh, wait. I'm just not even going to bother trying to hide my API key because it's just like, it's just a local LLM thing. You don't have access to it. So it's just not that big of a deal. So what? And then we need open code, right? I don't want to clear my history though, because now if you edit, if you put in your API keys into a terminal, you need to clear the history. I have leaked my GitHub token, access token, using that. So it's definitely a legit threat. Yes. All right. Cool. Does this even help me though? I don't know if this necessarily helps me right now. But hey, I got it installed, set up and ready to go. Now I wonder if I need to set my OBS countdown script down to 15 minutes. Let me think about this. Scripts countdown 15. All right, so now when I come back, all right, now it doesn't look like you're like, oh shit, I have just tuned in for an hour because I have my clock at an hour. All right. Jesus, still going, huh? Wonder how much context this thing's using. 60% of the full context, so it's using like not that much right now, but it's slowing down. This is the dual Arc B70 GPU running here. I just wish this thing was over. Oh shit, you know what this thing is doing? Oh, it's the tree view. Right. This is going to be interesting. If this thing is able to vibe code this from my slop directions, then it's a winner. So what it is doing, it's creating a tree view for my business model canvases so that I can create trees of business model canvases. And then the trees of business model canvases allow me to make alterations to the business model canvas. And then from the alterations to the business model canvas, I can evolve my business model one step at a time through altering things like my key partners, my distribution chain, my customer segments, etc. Which is a good idea. Will I be able to pull it off? Hey man, I'm vibe coding it. It's an experiment. It's cool if it's an experiment. I did miss my my keyboard. Still just waiting, huh? Yeah, if there was anybody here, I'd be like chatting right now. But I don't know. I lurk in the chat a lot because, you know, COVID destroyed everything. Like our society broke down. I don't think people understood exactly how much damage they were causing. All right. Well, I need this thing to have a what? Ooh. Now, I used to have this fancy animation that made myself ghost out. I have no idea what I would look up in order to find this. All right, the system's just about to chunk. OBS, man, it cannot load the hotkeys very well. I don't know why. It's gonna like export for like a minute, or multiple minutes. It seems. I don't think it's quite multiple minutes. Stand in and out. Split screen. Okay, I don't see anything in there. Sorry. Wasted a bunch of time. All right. What are we doing? Do I want to look at it? Look at the damage? Repo ranker is not working. Persona generator. What is this? This is the business model canvas generator. So the business model canvas seems to be working. I like this new setup. Oh, wait. Oh, look! Look! It says column canvas. All right. Well, hey, it made a business model canvas. So the purpose of this is basically column view is your mobile friendly editor. Canvas view is going to display. It's not going to be like. So I don't know if you know what a business model canvas is. It's like a way that you can organize your business model so that it you can identify the most important things to your business model. And so what we want to do is we want to like evolve this business model from where you're at right now, making one change at a time until we can morph your business model into a successful business model. So we need people to document, in your business model, what are the key activities, your value proposition, your relationships, like with the suppliers and your customer segments. And so we want to basically scale the business model. And so scaling the business model requires you getting money to pay people in order to scale it, because scaling the business doesn't happen with you. This is the key that people don't understand about running the business. You have to design the business to replace you. I'm getting older, so like I can't really be here forever. But I don't need to be here forever. I'm probably going to get sick of it at a certain point in time. So I need to be able to remove myself, which means, you got to do the 4-hour work week. You got to do the work on your startup, not for your startup. Oh, the person left right before I got finished with that. But hey, there's actually people coming in. The tree view, it's doing the LLM is processing the tree view right now. And that's what's taking so long, because it is nosediving, because it's realizing the complicated nature of it. And like it's having, you see how it's drawing stuff right here? This is what's taking so long. It's literally vibe coding something that's extremely difficult. Like this would take me weeks to do something like this. So if this thing can do this while I'm just chilling here up on YouTube, that's cool, dude. AI future is badass, dude. Like this, honestly, this was like not gonna happen before this AI stuff happened, because I've been doing YouTube live coding for a long time, but there just wasn't a lot of views. It's just too boring, takes too long. So I'm very interested in seeing what it's gonna do here. Hello, how can I help you out today? What do I want to do with this? So I can't really the problem with these local LLM models is it's not like I'm talking to ChatGPT and it's got a search engine. This one's dumb and it doesn't have a search engine. But hey, it's 85 tokens a second, so you know. It has a time and a place. I feel so stuck waiting for this thing. There's nothing I can really do other than just I could run another prompt. It would slow it down. Because it's sharing the context window, one context window between two prompts. And then if you fill up your what do you call it? Context window halfway, and then your one of the things gets dumped. And then it has to rebuild it later. What did it take down the server or something? Run build. Why is it doing run build? Unverified changes again? Whoa, it finished! Damn. Holy shit, son. So, how about that? Let's see. All right. So, what do we do now? Wait. That's not it. Wait. Shit. So, isn't the... So, let's think about this. I have a... Let's think about this. I'm going to think about this because there's only one person here, and I'm talking to myself. Can I edit this stuff? All right, cool. Key active. Oh, that's not right. Wonder if I could just feed this screenshot into Gemma for 12B, and then it can Wait, so I'm looking at the BMC. All right. What is it? Column view. Switch between, I want to say 2, actually. What's this? Is this still like... So here's the thing. It did put in some conditional rendering logic. All right. Active test. So what is this thing doing wrong? On select load canvas. What is the load canvas function? Load canvas. Oh, God. How long has the desk mic been muted? Oh no. Ah, it's been muted for like quite a while, huh? Oops. I hate it when that happens. You know, we are your A-star shortest pathfinder. Right. So what is the shortest path to success finder? So we leverage YouTube. Hold on. We're not a one size fits all. Hold on. Let me think about this. We help you find your shortest possible path to success. And so this is going to be we have the 4.5, 1, 1/2, 1/4 productivity cycle. How do I do that though? Hold on. See, it's a little bit hard to say 4.5, 1, 1/2, 1/4. Oh, I'm just going to call it the S tier 4.5 productivity routine. So it says you work 4.5 days per week on the S tier. All right. Our number one focus is to help you build a successful company. Our mission. All right. So the tools that we offer must reflect our mission. I have this. Damn, now it's 10:20. Shit, son. I'm sorry, what happened? Context too large. Get out of here, dude. So maybe I can't just have like one Omni session here. I'm thinking about how exactly I'm supposed to go about doing this. So this one crapped out too, huh? In 21. I'm a little bit confused. I've never seen it do this. So it can't just like compact the context window? My mind is breaking here. All right. I'm paranoid to use this Gemma 4 node now. What do I do? I'm paranoid. One option is to switch over to LM Studio and just run some layers on the CPU. I mean, at least we got the NV4 FP4 model weights. That makes it at least twice as fast. I don't know if I should have this thing. Keep chunking. On this rather important thing since it took a dump. I don't know why it couldn't compact the context. Maybe what I need to do is use maybe ChatGPT to compact the context. Or maybe I need a smarter, even smarter model. Man, everything's so stressful right now. But Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals says they're probably gonna have to give me some giant pile of money, so I can't be upset about anything. I'm not allowed to be. Not allowed to be upset. Yeah, whoop whoop. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna vibe code this shit up, and then I'm gonna get some money and then put it in so that we can scale. Yeah, it's gonna be dope, dude. Uh, okay. All right, what about this business model canvas thing? Oh, you're doing the repo ranker, right? Okay. Oh, right. There's a reason why this thing's disabled. Right, and I probably cannot. What am I waiting for this thing to be done? Oh, you need to um, status. Initializing agent. Oh, it looks like there's something up over here. All right, well, the prompt's running. Is this here? Two percent. I'm not happy with the errors. All this shit's like throughput 99 tokens a second. Not too bad. It was 145 though. What's this? I'm still looking for this error message. I'm a little bit kind of pissed off that it was it in the middle here? Here it is. Okay. Okay, so it exceeds this. Oh, GPT is finished. Let's go look at the homepage. Is this navy blue? I'm just gonna call it dark blue. What? How do I? Be nice to give it a screenshot. What is this? What is this doing? Okay, so this thing had a seizure. Outputted in a loop. Okay, well. Alright, well. Going back to Unsloth here, we're gonna need to. Is this one? Delete. Delete. Well, unload it. I mean, unload it. Shoot. I have another error. I think it Eject mall, right? Stop and unload. And I'm just going to go back to the Google one. Or unsloth. Well, there's probably a reason why Unsloth hasn't put out that NV FP4 one, and it's because it's not working. Oh, oops. It's a shame. Q80 spec loop decoding. We're gonna do MTP. Going 100% on the GPU. That's all the room that we got. Remember, advanced settings. Now I could just run the model weights. I could just split it 50. God damn it. It's worth trying, though. Let's try it offloading 50%. That's 40. GPU memory. Let's be aggressive. Let's try to fit it like that. Let's see how it works. Now it's going to be much slower, but it'll have the full context. Now, can we see? Dissertation on some bullshit. I like that. We have anything in here? Oh, here, this is what I'm looking for. Huh. Used and free. Oh, hey, look. I don't really care too much about that. Doesn't say the. Damn it! Doesn't say the tokens per second. But I don't really want that. Settings. And then GPU layers, and this is F16 KV cache type. So what is it, 40? Dude, I'm looking forward to tomorrow, actually. This is actually awesome. Yeah, I wish I would have been smarter with my purchases before, so I could have gotten this set up sooner. But it was a fiasco to get this whole setup. What do we got? How the hell am I only using that much? There's no way that I can fit it in that little amount of RAM. I mean, maybe it's being smart. There's like a K cache and a V cache though. And I don't like how it's like hiding that. Multi-token prediction. How? How do I have RAM free when I have like a full context window in here? All right, I like that live monitor. It's spewing out some bullshit, bro. Woo! Damn! Woo! Does that actually have that full context? I'm just so confused because let's look at the LM Studio. I'm so confused. I'm like losing my mind here. Okay, so first off, let's update to I gotta delete somebody's personal data out of this window before I move on. I can't believe I'm actually working on high level shit in AStartup, dude. This startup, like people insulted me for this startup because nobody. It was like people who knew what they were doing was like, this is too simple, and then people who And then the business guru guys, they were pissed off I was wasting their time because they didn't understand what the fuck I was talking about. It's like, now that shit's called vibe coding. All right, so what do we got? This one? This is the correct one. That's with Q8. Maybe it's just lying about the context window. Let's just assume it's lying. Okay, what is this thing doing? Is this still going? Is it still going? Has it broken everything? It seems like Gemma 412 27, or sorry, Qwen 3.6 27B is quite a bit better. I don't know, man. I might have to cancel my extra RTX 5070 and get another Arc B70 Pro. All right, but here let's at this point in time, I took a nap earlier, so it's almost 11. The way it's going to work is it's going to be hard for me to sleep. It's going right from like work mode to like going to sleep is a little bit difficult. Then I watch videos, and which makes it all worse. Shit, what the fuck am I doing? Oh yeah, I'm turning on turning on the laptop. Haven't we been looking at this desktop background for a while? Let's move on. Okay. Okay. I mean, I can deal with that. All right. Is this one okay? Oh yeah, wasn't I doing the model context? It says that I can only do 12, 100, 640. All right, let's do one. LLM Studio's closed now, so I don't like that. I don't know what to do though. Running out of time. I really don't like it when it doesn't do what I told it to do or what it says it's doing. I don't know what to do about that. Because that's like a giant amount of RAM right there. And maybe I need to look at what I had specified in the Hermes configuration. Oh, right, because it's actually set. It's hardwired. Right. It's 26214. All right. Hermes and agent should hardware load, so model. Oh, you can't see what I'm doing. Sorry. No, that didn't do it. Son of a bitch. Tell me how large the context window is. Initializing the agent. What does that mean? Oh, so it's like it chunked. Seems to be working. Oh, what is that exact number? Try doing 72. Yeah, gotta remember that one. 072. That one pops up. And then you double that, and then that's the maximum context window for most of the models nowadays. once. I mean, it's a little bit on the low side, but okay, so I'm going to try to do that again. Running it out of time. Nobody's watching. I'm not an attention whore. This is for me. I'm used to nobody watching, so that wouldn't be why I'm doing it. All right. 131.072. With the Q80. Really wish that they had FP8. This is supposed to be a VLLM backend. I don't know what's going on with that. Manual default. All right. We'll try this. How does that work? I guess I would go look over at model. What? I really hope these bunnies don't have bad teeth. Oh, I don't want to have to put these bunnies down, dude. Makes me feel bad thinking about it, dude. I might have to hire a vet because I'm not a man enough. Their bunnies are cute. I'm sorry, bro. One of them's sick though and needs to get put down. You gotta break their neck, and it's like gives me like sympathy pains. I mean, I know I have to do it. Oh, it's like care about the bunnies. But at the same time, I want them gone. I don't know what to say. I don't eat bunnies. I mean, it's probably only bad the first time, right? And you man up. You know, it's just reality. Sometimes you gotta give a mercy kill to an animal that's got a tumor before it goes through, before it ruptures, and it's like, that's really bad. Oh, God. You gotta stop thinking about him. This bunny is like this big ass tumor or like a cyst, and it's like, looks like it's about to rupture. Might even have done that. I'm like, sorry. I feel so bad for the buns. Yeah, they don't have that good of a life. This happens. $36 GB. Okay, so what does that mean? That unsloth is like really good. I just really wish that they could tell you exactly how much that is going to be. It's the same. Okay. And does that mean anything? No. I don't know what to say. Okay, so I have no idea why this thing's actually working. Maybe because it's like aggressively quantizing the K cache, but that still doesn't make sense. It's doing some sort of magic. All right, well, if I don't go to bed now, I'm gonna have all kinds of problems. So I'm gonna log off, go to bed, even though I don't want to. Although, oh, let's look to see if all right, this is something that I want to do. Let's get the was it the repo ranker? All right. Repo ranker. Okay, so what happened to the I don't know if I'm gonna trust this model to continue to work on this. That'd be great if this model was working with the full context window. I wouldn't need to get another one. Doesn't look super fast though. Wait. Oh yeah, this thing lost its context window, right? I hope this thing works. I'd be a very happy man if I had 150 tokens a second on this through Unslot Studio. That'd be crazy, dude. I just am so confused how the gotta be research here. That's bonkers. Like I still have like 2.6 gigs left with 256K context, FP16 quant. Something's wrong. I mean, that's bonkers, bro. Look, 2.4 gigabytes free. How the fuck is it fitting a 256K context into like 7 gigs of RAM? Or less than 7 gigs of RAM? Maybe I should be running Unsloth Studio on this computer with the Arc B70s. not doing anything now. Yeah, I could really use Gemma for 12B with the 256K context. Oh, shit. Did it take it down? All right, so what's up with the business model canvas? Yeah, don't I need to go to bed? I'm starting to feel a little bit tired. Nope, this thing's gonna be a hot dumpster fire, huh? No. Still no tree view. I'm gonna set this thing up doing the tree view. Why is there so much stuff at the bottom? Shouldn't there be like a use state? Do I need to reload it? Oh. Wait, so I'm looking for... okay. What am I looking for? View state. I don't really see any use state right here. What happened? Wait, I need to look at wherever this vodka slop is at. So the active tab is tree. Okay. So on select, you load canvas. Set active tab. Select canvas ID. And what does select canvas do? Set active business model canvas. I haven't used Zooston in so long. Well, I'm gonna have to turn this off and go to bed because yeah, it's almost midnight. I'm gonna wake up early and get back on. Now that I got this set up, dude, I'm ready to rock out. It'll be interesting to see what happens after 30 days.